Hey guys! It feels like not too long ago I was opening another well-inked box, but May came faster than I thought. If you haven't heard of Well Inked before, they are a bi-monthly creative supplies subscription box located in Alberta, Canada. But they do deliver worldwide, so anyone international or in the States can order a box too. They include 3 to 5 products per box, not samples, but full-size products. And in the past, I've gotten notebooks, peerless watercolors, brush pens, and a whole lot of stuff I would never have tried if not for these boxes. Okay, so full disclosure time. I feel really weird saying this because I've never had to say this before, but Well Inked sent me this box for free. They did not send it purposefully for me to review, they are not paying me to review this, but they have seen my past videos. I didn't tell them about my videos, somehow they figured out my secret identity as a YouTuber. Who knows how? It's a big secret. Anyway, I view this as a sweet gesture from a very kind company that I already think really highly of. But that said, I did pay for my last 2 boxes, and I was entirely and completely honest with you guys about them, and I will continue to be completely honest and transparent about how I feel about this box. So let's get to the review. As you saw, the box features a lovely quote on glossy paper and a couple of pins which are super cute. In the past, they've always filled the box with this kind of black confetti stuff, and I'm kind of glad to get a break from it this time. I find it leaves black dust all over the supplies, which get on your hands and all over your desk, and yeah. The first item in this box is this Uni Posca paint marker in green. I already have one of these in white that I love for highlights, and to be honest, I'm not entirely sure what I'll do with this one, but it's still cool to have it. They are opaque and water soluble until they dry, so it could be fun to add neon green effects to a painting in the future, but we'll see. Next is a Uniball Signo gel pen in white, which I'm holding upside down. Good job, Ley. I mean, these things are pretty ubiquitous, so I'm sure y'all know what they look like. They are really nice gel pens, so this is definitely awesome to have in my collection again, since my last one died a tragic, dried-up death. Next is the Pentalic Traveler Notebook in Midnight, as in black paper. Well inked, I see what you did there. It features 75 pound/120 GSM paper, so it's a fair bit thicker than your standard printer paper, but it's still thinner than like 90-pound cardstock. It is super gorgeous. It kind of makes me want to take up bullet journaling on paper just so I can have this crazy neon bullet journal. Instead, I'm just gonna draw in it. And lastly is a freaking blast from the past, a Sakura Jelly Roll metallic pen. Did anyone else have these pens get super huge when they were in junior high? I had a friend who owned every color and I was so jealous. This one is in gold and I happen to love gold ink, so I think we will fit well. I am currently going through one of those periods where art just isn't working out, no matter what I do. Everything is just a struggle. So there were quite a few false starts at working on something to demo the supplies before I finally figured it out. I originally considered drawing a dinosaur, because green made me think of a dinosaur, and then I realized I was missing out on doing something mermaidy for Mermay. Of course, because of the neon green and gold I had to work with, I knew I needed to make some kind of bioluminescent deep sea mermaid. The anatomy is super weird on this first one, and she is super stiff, but I discovered a lot about the supplies themselves while working on her. Colored pencils work lovely on the black paper, but for some reason it seems to absorb black ink. In certain angles you can kind of see the ink, and it did help to clean up the edges in a lot of cases, but the paper isn't quite black. It's dark as heck, but it isn't pitch black, so I'm not sure why the ink just seemed to absorb into the paper. Yeah, when I added the neon green, I knew it was a mistake, yet I just kept on going. I tried adding the hint of scales, but that looked kind of weird. And then I tried to fill in the entirety of her tail with the Posca marker. It didn't work. I then tried to add water to see if that would fix it. But yeah, best to just move on. I didn't film the sketching and initial colored pencil for either of these because the focus is supposed to be on the items I got in the well-inked box, but this second mermaid went far better than the first. I used white colored pencil to sketch instead of squinting to see my pencil mark, so that probably had something to do with it. I think a lot of it is just that I love her face. She's so cute. Even so, I struggled a whole lot with this one too. Just like my camera struggled to know what to do with the black paper. I'm sorry if the exposure is all over the place. I tried to even it out as much as I could in editing, but yeah, this was a rough one to film. I enjoyed playing around with this box, but I think the supplies work best when used sparingly in a piece, or used in some kind of writing or journaling project. I do write horror novels, so this book would be really fun to use for planning and character sketches and stuff for one of those projects. I did enjoy sketching on the black paper with a colored pencil, but I'm not sure the journal is suited for finished art pieces unless you're doing the inverted color challenge by Catfolk, which, in hindsight, I should have tried that instead, but that's always an option for the future. So yeah, have you ever created art on black paper? What would you use a black journal for? Let me know down below in the comments or reach out to me on Twitter. You can find me at Leysketch. If you're interested in your own well-inked box, please check out the description box below to find all of their links. A million thanks to Myrna and the rest of the well-inked team for sending me this box. I had a ton of fun trying something new. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and please subscribe. It means so much if you do, and it really helps this channel out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you at my next video. Bye!